Hi, I just got back from the grocery store and right now I am wrapping my friend Sierra's birthday gift. And I thought that it might be sort of fun to vlog it. I don't know. I'm just doing stuff and things and yeah. I realized I didn't grab the paper. 1 second. So you can see what I'm doing. Maybe over here. Okay, and we're back. I don't have any wrapping paper, so I'm being crafty and using a Trader Joe's bag. Trust the process. Okay, so maybe not how I wanted to do it, but that's okay. Okay, how big does this need to be? Not very. Probably just use the one side. Here we go. Well then, just don't look at the blue tape and everything's fine. I hope the CD didn't come out of the case. I just got back from seeing Project Hail Mary, which is, if you didn't know this, my favorite book ever. Like ever. Look at the patch. It was so good. It was so good. It was so good. Oh my god, I just can't stop smiling. They did so well. It was so good. It did the book so words? It did the book justice. Like 100% justice.
It was so good.
It was so good. And I'm not gonna give any spoilers. But oh my god. I literally perfect. It might have just taken over the spot for my favorite movie ever. Which, if you didn't know, was Anatomy of a Fall. 10 out of 10 movie, by the way. I loved it so much. I was watching that movie and I was like, I haven't watched a movie that made me this happy in so long. It was so good. I can't even like form like a proper thought about it, but yes. And I did spend a kind of outrageous amount of money on this bucket that came with a patch, but I don't even care because it was so good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That just made my week, my day, my everything, my year. It made my year. Anyway, I don't really have anything else to say. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It is a good day. It is a good day. So right now I'm working on a little mixed media edit for my photography page. I took pictures for Mystery Friends on Friday last week, and while I edited those and posted those already, I just still wanted to do like a little mixed media edit situation. So that's what I'm working on right now. Whoa, I like this. So you have to like go frame by frame, and this is the frame I'm working on right now. So what'll happen is it'll like move down the picture when it's in the video. Kind of cool, kind of fun. Yeah. Update. Boom. Now I only have like 30 more frames to go. Don't worry, I won't make you sit with me and do the whole thing. Oh wait. Should I make it like reverse and like disappear? Ooh, I kind of like that. Okay. Let me look at what the other one looked like first. Update, I just did all 55 frames. Now I have to move them into Premiere Pro and then add the audio, and then it's done. Hi, this is editing Olivia. I never made an outro, so this is just me saying thanks for watching. That was my little random Thursday vlog. Fun times. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.